Nasdaq is up 2% today. When I look at the NQ's 15-minute chart, I can see the following bullish developments. First, NQ formed a double bottom pattern during the last two sessions. Second, after NQ was able to move above the 12,000 level, it formed a bear trap pattern. Third, the price has also formed a falling wedge pattern during the last four sessions, with the price breaking out today. Now, it is easy to analyze the price action in retrospect. However, were there any clues suggesting that the market might actually take off today? Well, let's review the intraday price action to answer this question. First, the market started going up right after the open, despite the fact that it was also up in the pre-market hours. Second, this move higher also came on bullish tape. Check out the ES and NQ time and sales feed. Third, after the initial pop, the market tends to correct, and this is where traders have to make a tough call to buy this correction or stay on the sidelines or maybe even short the market. When I face this type of intraday decision, I pay attention to the following. A, does the price drop below the session's open price level? In this case, the bulls were able to hold the price above this level, which was very encouraging. B, how does the cumulative tick behave when the price corrects? Ideally, I want to see this indicator stay above the zero line. Now, talking about the cumulative tick indicator, I have to highlight this setup, which is extremely bullish. When this breadth indicator makes an intraday high, but the market doesn't, very often it is the bullish sign that the market will eventually make its own intraday high. So let's see how this setup played out today. In the end of this video, I'm going to show you two other sessions from the recent past with the same long setup. So don't leave.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
As you can see, the market made a number of higher highs today. Each correction got bought. Also, note how the cumulative tick continued to move higher for the whole duration of the session. Now, as I mentioned before, this type of long setup is pretty common. Your task as a trader is to learn to spot these type of patterns and setups early on in a session in order to profit from them. Here are two other sessions from the recent past that depicted a very similar price structure. The first one was recorded on March 17th, 2022. As you can see, the price moved up after the open, then corrected, and then took off. Also note how cumulative tick made its own intraday higher high before the market did. The second one was recorded on August 3rd, 2022. Again, very similar price action. Market popped after the open, then corrected, and finally took off. And again, the cumulative tick behaved in a very similar fashion, leading the market higher.